is all right, because we do YouTube videos. We only shoot videos in the area of the house that we want to shoot the videos, but outside of that we are also dealing with problems. Forget how I look right now. So these are the okra here. I already chopped them up, ready to take them into their hydrator, and this will be drying for like 8 hours in the hydrator. And when it's all dried, I will bring you guys back and I will show you what I'm doing here. Okay guys, keep watching. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back again today to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Oh my god guys, I missed you guys so much. I know I missed a video last week. It's been so crazy over here. Oh my god, dealing with the COVID-19. It's been so bad. I have lost a whole lot of loved ones, and it broke my heart that people are just dying. Like, I don't want to say it here, and I don't want to make you guys upset, and I don't want to add to all your stress, but it's been so stressful. I can't lie to you guys, because you're like part of my family. So I can never come here and come smile and act like everything is all right. Everything is not all right. It's been crazy. I have been living in fear, and with the COVID-19, I don't know, it's such a difficult time. I know we come here and we look like everything is all right, because we do YouTube videos. We only shoot videos in the area of the house that we want to shoot the videos, but outside of that we are also dealing with problems. Forget how I look right now. I'm dealing with a whole lot of stuff by myself. So guys, I'm just gonna keep on pretending and smiling like everything is all right. I make everyone feel better. I make myself feel better. So I am gonna be doing a DIY today, guys. I missed you guys so much. I love you guys, and I am back today with another exciting video. I am gonna be doing our DIY today for you guys, and please stay tuned. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment on this video, guys. On this channel I make a whole lot of DIYs. I make a lot of healthy stuff. I do lotions, I make creams, I make soaps, I make all kinds of stuff, guys. It's like you could just find something that you might be interested in this channel. So please guys, stick around. Please also watch this video to the end, and also like, share, and please give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys. I'm happy to be back again today with another exciting video for you guys. So please stay tuned and let's dive into the video. Mwah. Love you guys. So guys, I just tilt the camera down because I want you guys to see what I'm going to be doing. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be putting on my gloves, but before then, this is my alcohol spray here. Stuff that I'm going to be using making this DIY here. I have my coffee blender. Sorry about that. Here I have my capsule machine, because I'm going to be doing the okra capsules. I love okra, and I always want to have my okra into my beauty routine or my healthy routine. So I decided to make the okra capsules, so I always take it and also have that within the time that I need to use it. So I'm going to be doing that for you guys today. So I like I said, I have my coffee machine here, I have my container here, and I have my filter here. I have the capsule machine here that I'm going to be using in making the capsules. I also have the capsule itself here that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead now. I already, as you see in that other clip, I already have the okra. It's hydrated, it's dry. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to be bringing it out, and then we'll grind it from there, guys. So I'm going to take it out now. This is it here. It's dried, it's crispy. So, but I should wear my gloves before touching it. So I have my gloves here. I'm going to double up on the gloves. because I'm going to be changing gloves in the process as I go, guys. So guys, if you have any question concerning this DIY, please ask your question on my comment section, or if you want to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you could also do that for any private questions you may have. But I'm going to just quickly go ahead and put on the gloves. Okay guys, thank you guys so much. I'm glad to be back again. I hope things don't go as worse as it already is, because it's getting too critical for me. I can't handle this. This is way too much. It's too much for me to handle. I can't. So I'm going to put on my gloves now. So once I have my gloves on, I'm going to take out my coffee machine here, and I'm going to be pouring some of the okra in there coffee machine, because we're going to be needing the powder. So I'm going to be slowly doing that. See? So yeah, okra, I don't know if you guys, I did a video on okra juice that I was drinking before. It really helped me with my asthma, and okra has a whole lot of great benefits in them. So I decided, you know what, why not make a capsule with them, so that way you can always have them too if you need them. So I'm going to stop talking because I'm going to blend. Okay, it's already there. I'm going to put more in there. So like I said, yeah, I don't know if you watched my video that I did of okra juice that I was drinking for my asthma. It was really helping me. Okra has a whole lot of great benefit, guys. If you go read about it, you'll see how much, you know, the benefits of okra. So I'm going to stop talking again because I'm going to blend. This is it here, the okra powder. See what it looks like. This is the powder here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to filter this here, guys. I'm going to filter that. It also smells really good. This is what I got from their set. I'm going to go ahead and blend the chives again into that fine powder that I'll be needing. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to blend it again. Love you guys. Please keep watching. What I have here, guys. Again, I'm gonna filter again. Pour it in there. See if I can grind it again. Filter this one out. So this is just what we got left here. It's not that much. I might just, throw it away because, so this is a powder here that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and load this into my capsules. So guys, please stick around and I'll take you to how I'm gonna be doing the capsule. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. So now I'm gonna try to load the powder into my capsules. So I started taking the capsules out. So I'm gonna fill them in the machine, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just load them here. I don't have so much powder, so I might just need a few of the capsules into my machine here. So I'll just put a little bit there. I'll try to make it fast so I don't take too much of your time, guys. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for your patience and kindness towards me. I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm gonna put them in there. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the long part of the capsules into this part of the machine. It goes here. This is our bag of capsule here. So I'm gonna take out the cap out. That's already in there. This one has something in there. I'll go ahead and just fill them in nicely. So guys, the reason why I wanted to do this capsule is because okra has a whole lot of great benefits on your health. If you could go read about them, if you go read about okra, you'll see what I'm talking about. So because of that, sometimes I don't have time to go buy fresh okra, so I decided, you know what, I'll just make them into capsules, and that way I could preserve them. This could last me for like 6 to 1 year, but I don't think it will last me that long because I'm going to be taking it every day, but it's okay if you could preserve it. It could stay for like up to 1 year, 6 months to a year in a dry, cool place, and it'll be safe for you to take, as part of your daily supplement. So this is the reason why I'm making this capsule. I want to make sure I'm putting everything in line. I'm going to take more of that there. Take that there. It also smells good, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share so you could also others could benefit from it. It's going to look very well, so I'll have to fill everything out. So guys, if you want to do this DIY, make sure you're doing it in a very clean surrounding. My counter is clean. In case something falls on the counter, you can still pick it up and put it back in. I already washed my counter and I sprayed it, and also took off my gloves before I started loading up the capsules. So because the capsules are going to go into our stomach, I don't want to have any bacteria going into our stomach, so I changed my gloves before I started the process of putting the capsules in. So I think this is pretty much good. I'm just going to go with this for now. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. Okay, so I'm going to just go with this part here because I don't have so much powder, so I'll just be using that for now. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'll be pouring the powder in here slowly. It's going to go in the capsules. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll put it in a way you can see. Just make sure everything goes in properly. This is between here and there. Whatever, any excess that I have, I'll just clear it up. Some holes here. I'm gonna put it in there. There too. There. There's a powder there, capsule there. So this is where I have the capsules, where you see the white part. This is where the capsules are. So I want to make sure I load everything in there properly into the capsules. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll use this to make sure I load everything up nicely. Slowly do that. See that? I don't want to mess it up. I'll pour some of the excess powder that I have in here. You can see down. There's the capsules there loading in their cap. So I'm going to go ahead again and just pour this over it to make sure everything loads properly, because I want it to be stuck in full in there. So there, slowly just move it around a little bit. Carefully do that. That. Carefully just put everything in. Nice. Oops, sorry. I have some excess here, but I'm gonna just, whatever is remaining, I'll just wait when I'm done. Then I'll just have to do it individually to load it up in the container. So I'll pour that in there. So as you can see how it is as a cup. I'm going to just go ahead and just cover them together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure everything just covers together. Okay, just make sure you cover it. Gotta press it down. Okay, so I have the capsules here. I'm just gonna empty it. I ended up doing it off camera, so I'm gonna just empty everything here, guys. See, it's come in straight. My capsules are ready. It's my okra capsules. See how cute they look. So we just take like 1 or 2 a day. It depends on how you want it. You know, there's no overdose on this one. You could take it as much as you want. So see, the capsules are ready. For the capsules that are too big for you, you could use the smaller ones. But this is what I'm going to be using for this one. This DIY. They have the leftover powder. So this is my capsules container here that I cleaned. It's clean. So I'm going to go ahead and pour them in here. So I'll take them when I'm ready. So that way I have the benefits of okra in my healthy routine. That's my vitamins. Next time I'll make more. I'll make a lot. So this is it, guys. So if you have any question concerning this DIY, please let me know. This is it. See how simple it is. Just keep it in a cool, dry place. So anytime you feel like you want to have the okra, you could just take 1 or 2 of them. So you'll be good. So I'm going to fill these ones out too, the leftover here. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and also share this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.